Whether you're kayaking down the Colorado River or chasing your kids around your neighborhood water park, functional water shoes can be the difference between a fun time and a bad, or even dangerous, experience. Throwing on some flip-flops on your way out the door can be a tempting convenience, but your footwear is sometimes the only thing between you and hot sand, sharp rocks, or slippery surfaces, so it's worth investing in shoes that are durable and functional. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 water shoes on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Chaco Women's Cloud 2 Sport Sandal. The Chaco Women's Cloud 2 Sport Sandal, neoprene water shoe that takes the best of the classic water sock design and slaps a durable rubber sole on the bottom. These shoes, while they're not the most versatile on our list, they are one of the best options out there for the beach. The snug neoprene fit may keep the sand out from under your toes, but the flexible outer sole still gives you a good bit of ground feel. These shoes will keep you safe from slick mossy riverbeds, sharp rocks and shells at the beach, and hot pavement at the community pool. Things we like: snug fit, stay on your feet and keep even the smallest debris out. Reasonably thin sole provides flexibility and protection. Neoprene keeps feet warm in cooler waters. Things we don't like: diagonal seam makes for a bit of an uncomfortable fit. Neoprene insulation pools water in shoes. No arch support. Number 2. Body Glove Men's Water Shoe. The Body Glove 3T Barefoot Cinch Water Shoe is a mouthful of a name that describes exactly what it is and what it's for. Its stitching creates 3 toe compartments with a barefoot feel, intended to appeal to surfers and water sports enthusiasts. With decades of history, there's a lot of design that has gone into this particular water shoe to attempt to thread the needle between protection and performance. For kayakers, paddleboarders and sailors that need to tread through water, over stony beaches every once in a while, these might hit a sweet spot. But for runners, especially barefoot athletes, the 3T Barefoots could be the performance panacea to make everything possible. Our review details what our test of these Body Glove water shoes can and cannot do for you. We tested the men's water shoe type, but there is also a model available for women that we have but have yet to test. Number 3. Barerun Barefoot Sports Shoes. The Barerun water shoes are sleek, slip-on water socks with thin, flexible rubber soles that provide the comfort and feel of going barefoot with a little extra protection. These water shoes are great for around-the-house wear, swimming, and milder water sports like paddle boarding or summer fishing. These shoes are definitely a bargain, ringing in at just unfortunately, it seems in this case that the cheap price comes as a result of cheap materials and/or cheap construction. Even light use in swimming pools was enough to break down the material in these shoes and render them unwearable. If you're looking for something that will last, we suggest you look elsewhere. However, if you need something cheap that will do the job for a day or two, check out the full review for more information. Number 4. Keen Women's Newport H2 Sandal. The Keen Newport H2 closed-toe water sandals give you the best of both in water and on land worlds, the quick-drying ventilation of sandals, and the protection, security, and durability of closed-toe water shoes. What differentiates the Keen Newports from Tevas or Chacos is the game-changing, rigid toe bumpers that keep your toes safe, perhaps even more so than most sneakers. The closed-toe rubber top of the shoe keeps your toes safe from sharp rocks, uneven ground, and anything else that could pose a threat in the water or on land. The shoes are a great option for virtually all terrains and any range of intensity. To further sweeten the deal, they're machine washable. Number 5. Raka Water Shoes. The Raka water shoes are one of the top-rated water shoes on Amazon, so we had to give them a try. We were immediately impressed by the comfort and barefoot feel of these closed-toe shoes. They provide excellent ground feel and are comfortable enough to walk short distances. The soles are lightweight and flexible, and seem to have adequate protection and grip on both wet and dry surfaces. As far as the look of these shoes, they look like the Body Glove 3TS and a standard running shoe. They come in a variety of bright colors, which is surprisingly hard to come by in most water shoes we've reviewed. The outsoles have a neat footprint on them, which doubles as a cool design feature, but the pattern also aids in the grip of the shoe. These aren't the most durable pick by a long shot, but they are a decent, affordable option for mild or occasional use. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.